28 funny puns or wordplay. I'm writing a book on the history of ice. It's a real page freezer. Why don't some couples go to the gym? Because some relationships do not work out. Why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. I'm reading a book about space, but it's not rocket science. Did you hear about the restaurant called Karma? There is no menu. You get what you deserve. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. I can't believe I got fired from the calendar factory. All I did was take a day off. I'm reading a book about clouds. It's really over my head. Why don't oysters share their pearls? Because they are shellfish. I don't trust stairs. They are always up to something. What do you call a can opener that doesn't work? A can't opener. I'm writing a book about helicopter. It's really taking off. I'm reading a book about electricity. It's shocking. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. I'm reading a book about submarines. It's really deep. What do you call a belt made out of watches? A waste of time. Why do ghosts love elevators? Because they lift their spirits. I'm reading a book about teleportation, but it hasn't arrived yet. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a shark? Frostbite. I'm reading a book about jokes, but it's not funny. I'm reading a book about furniture, but it's not charismatic. I'm reading a book about fitness, but it's not working out. I'm reading a book on anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. I am a big fan of whiteboards. They are remarkable. I am on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat it. I am reading a book about handwriting analysis. It's hard to read. You can watch these videos next. Thanks for watching.